Hey kids, today we learn about some patterns. First one is standing line. Starts from the up and goes down. Start from the up and goes down. Let's try it again. Start from the up and goes down. This is a standing line. Next one is leaping line. Move from left to right. Move from left to right. This is the leaping line. Move from left to right. Slanting line. Start from the top, bring your pencil down. Start from the top, bring your pencil down. Slanting line. Start from the top, bring your pencil down. Curve line. Start from the top, make a round and come down. Start from the top, make a round and come down. Curve. Start from the top, make a round and come down.